Had to turn on the secondary furnace today. It's on for quite a while this early morning, early like before noon. It was down to 50 in the house last night, and I got it up to about 64. Shut the secondary furnace down for a while, and it was 58 before you know it. So I'll kick it back on. I think we're back up to about 62, 63 it says. Stay warm. Praying for the plumbing. Put it on the drip if we have to. I do have a shop light, like a drop light, down near where the water first comes into the house. A little bit of heat anyway. Alright, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye now.